Hey everyone, today I want to take you through the Sumif formula in Excel using multiple criteria, or using the Sumif formula with a list being the criteria reference, rather than a single cell or a single reference in general. As you can see on the right hand side, I've got 4 different examples here, each getting a little bit more difficult, and each having some extra criteria to add into that Sumif formula. So let's get started. I'm going to go through this very quickly, so just pause and rewind if you need to. And if you check in the description below, I'll leave a link and you can download this workbook for your own reference. Okay, so to get started, on the left hand side we've got a t-shirt company with a whole bunch of information, and we want to sum the total sales of this information based on the criteria. The very first one we're going to do is a really simple one, and it's just the Sumif formula where the color of the t-shirt is white, and you can see the result is 10,200. So let's build that formula. Equals Sumif. I'm just going to do this quickly because we want to get into that section where we're talking about the multiple criteria. Now the range we're going to sum is this color section, cells C6 to C22. The criteria is white, so we can either type in white in double quotation marks or reference the cell I7, comma again, and what's the sum range? Cells G6 to G22, close the brackets, and press enter, and you can see the result is 10,200. So the next one is we want to sum if, but we've got 2 criteria, and they come from different columns. So we want it to be the color of green t-shirt, but we want the price to be $30. You can see the extra large is $35 and all the others are $30. So let's do that and build this formula, and it's slightly different. It's called equals sum if S. Now the sum range is where we start this time. So we're going to sum up this total sales column, cell G6 to G22, comma, and the criteria range 1 is the color. So we want the color to be the criteria range 1, C6 to C22, comma. The next thing it's asking for is the criteria. We want it to be green. We can either type that in or select the cell reference, comma, and now we go to that criteria range 2. So the next criteria is the price equals 30. So the range is E6 to E22, comma, and the criteria is that it equals 30. I'm going to close the brackets and press enter, and you can see we've got that value of 11,610. Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit more difficult. We want to use the SUMIF function to calculate the total sales where there's multiple criteria or a list in the one column. So let's show you how this is done and the little trick to get it working in the end. Equals SUMIF S, open brackets, the sum range being column G like usual, comma, the criteria range being the colors, C6 to C22, comma, and the criteria being this list of green, red, or white. Close the brackets, and you can see it's brought back the values, but unfortunately what it's done is it's brought back the individual values for green, red, and white, rather than the combination of those into one cell. Now there's an easy fix here, and I'll show you how it's done, but I just want to quickly mention that because this is a newer formula using spill ranges, it might not work in older versions of Excel. So let's go back in this formula and quickly update it, and we just have to wrap it up in a sum function. So right at the beginning of the formula, we're going to type in equals sum with the open bracket, put the bracket at the end, and press enter. And you can see we now have the value of that combination of colors. Now the final one we're going to do has another little trick to it, but it's really simple once you get used to it. And this is where we're going to have multiple criteria with multiple columns and multiple options within each column. As you can see here, we want to get the sum of all the white, green, and red t-shirts that are either small or medium. So let's build this formula and I'll show you the trick on how to fix it. Equals sum if S, open brackets, sum range being column G, comma, criteria range being the color C6 to C22, and the criteria 1 equals that range of colors, comma, criteria range 2 is this, in this instance, the size D6 to D22, and the criteria 2, this range of small or medium J20 to J21. Close the brackets and press enter. And now you can see it's given us those 3 values, but it's actually only combined this color and size exactly how it looks. So we've got the white small one being 2,325, same as what it looks like on the table, and the green medium one 5,970. And the red without a size came back with nothing because there isn't one without a size. But we didn't want this, we wanted the combination on all of them. So to make this an OR function rather than an AND, so it combines all the different variations, we have to go back in the formula and indent a transpose function just before that second criteria. So just before that J20, you can see I'm going to type in the word transpose, open the brackets, close the brackets again, and press enter. And you can see what it's done now is it's brought back all the different combinations into a spill range. But like we did before, we want to put it all into one particular cell. So we just do exactly what we did like last time, and we wrap it up with a sum. So open brackets, close it here, and press enter. And there we go. Now we've got that same value as we have here. Now this is a very handy formula. Hope you found it useful. See you next time.